Feeling shut out of the AR world? It's a valid concern, especially with giants like Meta and Adobe stepping back from the augmented reality scene. But fear not, because a new contender has emerged, aiming to democratize AR creation. Meet Trace, the self-proclaimed Canva of AR. This innovative app, designed for both iPad and iPhone, promises to be a game-changer. It allows anyone to design and share high-fidelity, location-based AR experiences, all without the need for coding or specialized technical expertise. Think of it as a user-friendly platform, making AR creation accessible to everyone. But what exactly can you do with Trace? The app, developed by alumni from AR innovator Magic Leap, empowers users to craft interactive AR experiences. You can build digital objects that interact with the physical world, all thanks to features like scene editing, 3D recording, drawing, annotation, and persistent anchoring. To get you started, Trace provides content libraries filled with AR-ready models. And sharing your creations is a breeze, thanks to easy-to-use links and QR codes. And this is the part most people miss. Trace is designed with the future in mind. The creators have considered cross-device support, ensuring that experiences built on mobile devices today will seamlessly translate to the next generation of mixed reality headsets and glasses. Currently, you can view your AR creations through the Trace Viewer app, available for free on the App Store and Google Play. Plus, if you have existing 3D assets, you can import them using the Web Studio app. Early access to a headset viewer for Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest is also available. Who's already using it? Trace has already made waves in the industry, with early adopters including major players like ESPN, T-Mobile, Telefonica, Lenovo, and Deutsche Telekom. They're using the app for brand activations, retail experiences, trade show installations, and employee training. One notable activation was at the 50 Years of Hip Hop Summit in NYC in 2023. According to CEO Greg Tran, Trace was born out of frustration with the complexities of existing AR workflows. His goal? To break down the technical walls that often hinder XR device capabilities. The app is designed to be fast and intuitive, with learning resources available on the website. The Trace app is free to download from the Apple App Store, with an optional premium subscription costing $20 per month. And, recognizing the disruption caused by Meta and Adobe's departures, Trace is offering 3 free months of its premium plan to displaced Aero and Spark creators. What do you think? Is Trace the future of AR creation? Are you excited about the potential of a no-code AR platform? Share your thoughts in the comments below.